Hello, my amazing chalking friends. We are doing a bathroom storage makeover tonight. Yes, we are. That's what we're doing. Hope you guys are good. We're going to make some really cute little storage solutions for in my bathroom. First of all, my bathroom is being remodeled, my master bath. So, I emptied out all the drawers. Has everybody ever done that? If you ever, are interested in a fun activity for the afternoon, empty out every single drawer and cabinet in your master bathroom or regular bathroom or linen closet or wherever you keep your stuff. It's very entertaining what you find. So I did have to empty out everything in my master bathroom, and it's been quite entertaining. What I've learned is a few things that we're going to share tonight, but I need to make some better cute, right? I need cute storage solutions. So we're going to make some really cute little makeup storage stuff, containers, I guess, things. We're going to make some things for my master bathroom because I have this problem, and I'm going to explain to you the problem that I have here in just a moment. So when you join, say hello. I need to find you guys. I was busy chit-chatting and not finding you, so I apologize for that. So say hello. Tell me where you're from. If you're new to our little chalking party, say hello. Join right in our conversation. We are a very fun, chit-chatty little group, and I'm more than happy to talk anybody's ear off. So just come on in and say hello. We are going to I'm just going to take a minute. I promise. I'm just going to take a minute. And I'm going to put this out into the Making Maria Crafty community, if I can. Sometimes it lets me, sometimes it doesn't. So I have this friend. Some of you are getting to know her as well. Her name is Tiffany. And Tiffany is an amazing person. But once you get to know Tiffany, before you know it, you have a storage solution. Because I love Tiffany. It's not gonna let me do it, so I'm giving up. If anybody's in the Making Maria Crafty community, if you want to share this into that, I would appreciate it because it's not letting me do it. Sometimes it lets me, sometimes it doesn't. It's very fickle that way. Okay, so when you meet my friend Tiffany is amazing. She sells cosmetic skincare. She's really more skincare than she is cosmetic, but you might as well own cosmetics too, right? Because why not? So I met Tiffany a year and a half ago, and I have this explosion problem. I am actually somewhat embarrassed to share with you because I could have a problem. Yeah, okay, we know I have a problem. But as someone who's never really worn makeup, I never really had to worry about storing it or what to do with it or making it easy to find that specific color because, I grew up, you had one mascara, one eyeliner. If you wore eyeshadow, you had one. And now I have Tiffany. So now I have a few. So I'm going to be embarrassed, completely embarrassed, and show you how I currently have stored them. Okay, this is a cup, a plastic cup from Frankie and Louie's Beachfront Bar and Grill in Lake of the Ozarks. So this is currently how I store my, these are my lip sense things, my fun little, I'm addicted. This is the one I have on. This is really cool. But anyway, I'm not trying to sell makeup. I'm just trying to simply show you how to store it. But this is how I currently store it. And I decided that, I'm getting a brand new bathroom with all these really pretty things. Maybe I needed an upgrade. So I didn't upgrade much. I mean, this is the free cup from the restaurant, right? I upgraded to the Target dollar section. So, went out on a limb. Because really, quite honestly, I'd rather buy the lip gloss than I would buy the container. So, this is from the Bullseye section. Oops, sorry. It's from the Bullseye section. It's a cute little storage bin with a little divider on it, and we are going to chalk on it because it should need, or it's screaming, right? First of all, it's the perfect size, right? It's perfect size for a little chalk. And, oh, thank you, Melissa. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate that. Not only is it the perfect size for chalk, you could chalk on either side. This one would fit like a couple sentences from an A size, and this fits a mini. I just think there's some really fun things you could do with these, and they're $1, so why not, right? So my bathroom storage is getting an upgrade. So I'm going to show you, this is what we had made last month with our Chalk Couture transfer. Live the life you have imagined. That would fit very nicely on here. We're going to do the ends because I'm going to store them this way. So, and I know I have 2, right? I don't have that many lip glosses. But see, this is what happens when you meet Miss Tiffany. You start with lip gloss and lip stuff, and then you move to eyeshadow and mascara. So, yeah, I need 2 of them. It's a problem. So what I want to do is I want to use the Beautifully Rare Minis, and I'm going to just chalk a little sentiment on the end of them so that as I'm getting ready, at whatever time of day I bother to get ready, it just has a fun, encouraging little, it said it worked, but who knows with Facebook. I agree, Melissa. You never really quite know. So we're just going to put a little cute little sentiment on the end of it, and then I'm going to store it. Now my bathroom's not done yet, so in the meantime, it's going to stay in the bathroom. So I'll get you a cute picture, but it won't be the final cute picture when my bathroom is done. But my bathroom is months away from being done, so we won't have a cute picture anytime soon. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a cute little, these are the Beautifully Rare Minis. And I'm gonna post a video later. I took these minis and I took one of them. I did this one, I don't know why, it just was the one I had, but it says, "Don't be like the rest of them, darling," and there's a little diamond. I took this one mini and I created 9 different projects with it. The one mini, the one transfer, to show you the power of one little tiny transfer and all the different things that you can do with it. So I will post that video when we're done. It's if it's a minute long. It's not a very long video. It's one of the sped up ones but it's one I made, not like the ones I do when I'm on vacation. So it's one I made. I will post that when we're done so that you can see it. But I took this one little tiny mini and I did it on all kinds of different surfaces. Tonight I'm going to add to it, and we're going to do these cute little, you could put pencils. There's all kinds of things you can put in here. It doesn't have to be makeup. I'm choosing to use it for makeup because I have it and I need something to do with it. So we're going to do the "Don't Be Like the Rest of Them, Darling" one, just so that oops, these are like new ones. All right, I have one that's used, so we're going to use one that's used. So this is actually the transfer. I used one transfer for all 9 of the projects that I'm going to show you in the video. So we're actually going to use it for the 10th time tonight. Now, because I've used it so many times and I've used it on a ton of different surfaces, I don't really need to fuzz it. I could, because it is really it's still pretty sticky. But I'm not going to fuzz it. I'm going to live on the edge and I'm not going to fuzz it. So I don't chalk on plastic very often, but as is being evidenced here, you totally can chalk on plastic. So I'm just sealing it down. Now, part of my problem in my new bathroom is I don't really know what color it's going to be. So it needs to be a bold enough color that you can see it, right? Because this is just a, clear, frosted-y type plastic. So I think we're going to use raspberry sorbet, because I love me some raspberry sorbet. Now my raspberry sorbet is in sad shape. Hey, Kara. I couldn't hear you and couldn't figure out why your sound was off. Well, Kara, you got to turn your sound on. But sometimes people prefer to listen to me muted, which, trust me, I totally understand. Okay, so my raspberry sorbet is in sad shape. I'm waiting for my new one. It's not here yet. So I'm just going to give it a little bit of a stir. I need very little chalk, so I'm not worried about it being in sad shape. I could totally work with it and make it better, but I'm choosing not to because I have a new one coming. Okay, so I'm going to take my chalk paste, I'm going to load it up, and I'm simply going to scrape it across. Whoop. And, you know, don't get big blobs on your project. So I'm just going to go right across like so. I'm going to pull off my transfer. Melissa says we've all been there. And I did go off, so I do need to wash it off. But I will post the video because I think sometimes people don't always know what to do with the minis. And this, especially this particular set, there's this particular set, which is the Beautifully Rare. And then there's another one, the current new one, which the name of it is going to completely escape me. It's French something. Those are like super versatile, can be used on all kinds of different things. They're not necessarily, like there's the farmhouse ones, which are awesome, but you know, a little more limiting. Where this one, you can totally use on all kinds of things. So I'm showing you here, while I'm talking, my cheater cleaning method. I just take a disinfectant wipe and I wash off my transfer. You don't have to submerge them in a water bath. You don't have to rinse them with water. You can simply wipe them with a disinfectant wipe and let them dry. And French Country. Thank you, Kara. Yes, French Country. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. You guys have seen it a couple times. But look at how cute this is, right? And who doesn't want to put their lip gloss in there? And I'm sorry, Lake of the Ozarks cup. But you've been replaced by something cute. Okay, now come on. I'm gonna like be excited to get ready in the morning. Okay. The other thing you find when you meet Miss Tiffany is you acquire makeup brushes when you never owned makeup brushes before. So I'm trying to get organized into my new little bathroom. So far we have Don't Be Like the Rest of Them, Darling. And now oops, there's another one over there. We're going to do another one for the eyeshadow. Right? Everybody needs eyeshadow. So I think for that one, we're gonna do Beautifully Rare. Right? Coffee First might be a good one too. Why, hello, could be good. I don't mind the Live the Life You Have Imagined. You could totally do it on the side, which is from the Chalk Couture transfer, but again, they're going to be stored where I'll see them this way, not this way, so that's why I'm doing it on the end. Oh, let's do Like a Boss. Because, you know, I'm pretty bossy on a daily basis. You ask my children. They would be happy to tell you how bossy their mother is. Okay. Ooh. Why did I close up my chalk paste? I closed it all up. All right, so I'm just going to do a quick little zoom with Like a Boss. So sometimes I'm really kind of on this kick right now of walking around your house and chalking on things you already own that maybe just need a little bit of a makeover. You know, okay, so these bins were $1. They're way better than this reminds me of college, right? Yeah, right? Way better than that alternative, and it's gonna look cute. And now, when I get ready in the morning, first of all, I'm gonna think of you guys, right? Because I did this with you guys, and they're just cute, and they match. Because I use the same color, which is even better. Again, my cheater cleaning way. Especially if you get your chalk right away before it dries, it's really easy to do this. This is my little cheater way. And I'm done. I'm cleaned up. So sometimes people have the misconception that you need to pull out all kinds of stuff and this is going to take so much time to create a cute little project, but it really doesn't. So now I got, this is really embarrassing. I should probably film when you guys aren't around. But this is what happens when you meet Tiffany. You're going to love her. She's doing girls' night out with me, but you're going to love her. But when you meet her, she changes your life. All right, so here we go. We have two, I shouldn't have filled them because now I can't show them to you. Two super cute little, I should empty them and then I could lift them up and show you, right? So you have two super cute little plastic bins to store your fun incidentals. There's all kinds of different things you could put in here. But again, Dollar section, Bullseye's Playground, and voila. I don't even know why I have an eyelash curler. I don't know, curl my eyelashes, but oh well. That's what I got for you tonight, peeps. I hope you're having a super fantastic day. I hope I have inspired you to clean out your drawers in your bathroom and get rid of all that stuff and start over. I threw away stuff that truly had to be 20 years old. Maybe 15, but oh my gosh. Clean out your master bathroom or your makeup drawer or all your stuff, and yeah, just do it, peeps. And then you can go to the dollar section, buy 2 cute little things, have everything fall out of them because you're dumping them out, and have super cute little storage containers. So that's all I got. Thanks for hanging out with me. I will put that video in so that you can see everything I did with one transfer, and I will post a special on the Beautifully Rare, or any of the minis. I have a few of them. I'll post the minis I have. Minis are wonderful. There's 12 transfers on one. It's a B-size transfer, so it's $14.99, and you actually get 12 individual transfers. This is one of my all-time favorites because there's just so many different things. I mean, like coffee first. You can do that on a coffee mug. You can do it on your makeup thing. You can do it on a makeup bag. You can do it on your coffee maker. I mean, there's just so many different things that you can do it on. So it's just a very fun transfer. Pardon my French, we did that on a mask. Why, hello, you could do that on a mask. Live life in all caps, you could do that on a mask. Just, I could go on. And I didn't even do all of these examples in the video. So the minis are awesome. So that's all I got for you. Have a super, super great night. I will be back at you tomorrow night. I make a live demonstration video every evening. If you want to check out any of these amazing products, you can go right to www.chalkcouture.com/MakingMaria. If you want to check out our virtual girls' night in, where we're going to actually, you'd have an opportunity to meet Tiffany. In case you're interested, you're going to get a lip gloss, a set of nails. Oh, I took my nails off. A set of nails and a project. And if you're interested in that, that's in the Making Maria Crafty community, or you can message me, and I would be more than happy to send you the information. But this is my embarrassment of, I can throw away the college mug that stored my stuff, and now I have cute little storage containers. I'm rambling. Time to say goodnight. Thanks, guys. Have a great Wednesday. See ya.